125 Constitution Amendment Bill Policy. 125 Constitution Amendment Bill Policy News. Recently, the Chief Executive Magistrate CEMS of 10 Autonomous District Council ADCs from north-eastern state of Assam, Meghalaya and Mizoram and Tripura made the Union Home Minister, putting forward the demand of passing of the 125 Constitutional Amendment Bill. In this context, the Union government decided to form a committee headed by the Minister of State for Home Affairs to resolve the issue related to the bill. What is in the news? What are the proposed amendment in the 125 Constitutional Amendment Bill? The bill aims to grant more financial, executive and administrative power to tribal autonomous council under the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Village and municipal council. The proposal includes the creation of village municipal council alongside the existing district and regional council. Village council will be set up for individual villages or cluster of villages in rural areas, while municipal council will be established in the urban area within each district. The district council will have the authority to enact law regarding the number and composition of village and municipal council, the delimitation of the constituencies for election to this council, the power and function of the village and municipal council. Rules of development of power. The government will have the authority to create rules for the devolution of power and responsibility to village and municipal council. These rules may be covered the preparation of economic development plan, the implementation of land reform, urban and town planning, regulation of land use, among other responsibility. That the governor may also establish rules for the disqualification of council members based on defection. State Finance Commission. The bill provides for the appointment of a finance commission in these states to assess the financial status of district, village and municipal council. The commission will make recommendation on the distribution of tax between state and district council, grant it to district, village and municipal council from the state and consolidated fund. Election of council. Election for district council, regional council, village council and municipal council will be overseen by the State Election Commission, which is appointed by the governor for this 4 state. Current status of the bill. The Constitution 125 Amendment Bill 2019 was introduced in the Rajya Sabha and was subsequently referred to Departmental Related Standing Committee on Home Affairs. The committee is severely concerned about the bill in its 2020 report and it has remaining pending since then.